Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing two new packages. They came on time, so yeah, let's unbox the new devices. Alright, so let's open the boxes and let's see what's inside. Wrapping. Let's open it up. Alright, so I can kind of see the device in the bubble wrapping. It looks like a sync module or something. Anyways, let's open it up. Alright, look what we have here. Over here we have a System Sensor MDL3R or MDLR3, but anyways, this is the latest System Sensor sync module. So yeah, we're going to be testing this device throughout the video. Alright, now let's open our second package. This one looks... Alright, we're almost done opening the second box. Kind of damaged it, but that doesn't really matter. Alright guys, I opened the box, and over here we have some bigger bubble wrapping. So let's tear that open. Alright, so look what we have here. Over here we have a ceiling mount Spectral Alert Advanced. System Sensor Spectral Alert Advanced, and it's white. And this one looks like it's a high candela version, or it's just that it has a 115 candela option. So yeah, hopefully this doesn't blow out my ears, because there are rumors about the System Sensor Spectral Advanced that it is the loudest alarm, but it's not the loudest alarm out there, but it is quite loud. So yeah, that's cool, and it also came with the mounting bracket. So yeah, I'm going to test this device with under the System Sensor MDL. So basically I'm going to operate this device with the System Sensor MDL. So yeah. Alright guys, so I wired my System Sensor Advanced to the System Sensor MDL3R, and I'm also going to show you how it could do two-wire audible silence with the System Sensor MDL. So anyways, yeah, I got the switch to power it. I put a trophy on it because this is a very loud device. Anyways, it's operating under the System Sensor sync. Now I'm going to silence it. Look, two-wire audible silence with this sync module. And then I can reactivate the horn. Alright, so yeah guys, that was the unboxing and review of the System Sensor MDL3R and the System Sensor Spectral Alert Advanced Ceiling Mount Horn Strobe. So yeah guys, bye. Stay tuned for System Test 53.